everyone, thank you for watching my channel. I will show you Nukazuke today. Do you know what Nukazuke is? These are Japanese pickles fermented in rice-bran bed. This is my 3-year-old fermented rice-bran bed. This is called Nukadoko. Nuka means rice-bran and Doko means place to sleep. So this is a nice bed for my vegetables to be preserved and fermented. Nukadoko is made with rice bran, water, and sea salt. Only 3 main ingredients. I'm going to pickle the cucumbers today. This is my favorite Nukazuke. First, rinse the cucumbers and cut off the edges. Sprinkle with some sea salt. Rub the salt into it so that the surface gets slightly scratched. Leave them for about 15 minutes to induce water out of the cucumbers. Wipe off the water, then put them into the bed. It is okay to put your vegetables into it without this procedure. However, if you skip this process, your rice bran bed gets watery and less salty quickly. It causes extra care for the maintenance. So, I rub salt like this every time. Other than cucumbers, carrot, daikon radish, eggplants, cabbage, you can pickle anything you like. Do you often eat fermented food? I like to have at least one fermented food dish for my diet. Eating fermented food daily basis can boost the number of beneficial bacteria in your gut. They can improve digestion, better immunity, and even good for weight loss. After putting all the cucumbers, flatten the surface like this. Then put the lid on and keep the box in the fridge overnight or longer. Okay, now they are fermented overnight. Let's take out the cucumbers. Rice bran gets fermented faster while it is stored in room temperature. As you aerate the bran bed by hand every day, good bacteria grows inside the bed. So you can say Nukadoko is a living organism. To maintain a careful balance of microbes, it requires constant monitoring. It sounds quite hard to look after, but once the ideal balance of microbes are built, you can store it in the fridge and maintenance gets much easier. It takes about 2 weeks for proper fermentation of the bed. I'll show you how to make the rice bran bed in another video sometime. Now, I took out all 4 cucumbers. Make the bed and keep it in the fridge. Then you can put your favorite vegetables into it whenever you want to preserve and ferment your vegetables. Now I'm gonna rinse off the rice bran under running water. In the bed, the vegetables get fermented together with the rice bran. Fermentation process enhances the flavors and gives extra umami to the vegetables. You can just quickly rinse off to keep the umami inside. Okay, now after rinsing, wipe off the excess water. Okay, and for this video, I pickled only cucumbers, but not only vegetables, but also you can pickle protein like eggs, meat, fish as well. But it takes extra care to ferment protein, and I want my bran bed to keep clean, so I do only vegetables. Then now slice into bite-sized pieces. Like I said, the main ingredients of the brown bed are rice bran, water, and sea salt. And also to prevent getting bugs or get moldy, or to enhance more flavors, you can add some spices like red chillies, mustard, Japanese peppers called Sansho. And don't forget to add kelp for umami flavor. It looks like I'm slicing some ordinary cucumbers. However, after fermenting in the rice bran bed with several spices and umami agents, these are so flavorful and full of probiotics. Store in a clean container and keep them in the fridge until you need. In the end, I'll show you how to serve. This is about one portion. You don't need too much. You can enjoy 3 or 4 slices with one bowl of cooked rice. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you for visiting my channel again. See you soon.